Hi.
Christina eating Captain Crunch.
It's simply delicious.
Captain Crunch berries! Yay! I should put this on.
Let's look at Abercrombie, shall we?
Abercrombie and Finch. That store is stinky.
I know, so is Hollister.
Hollister is horrible.
But their clothes are so pretty.
Yeah.
I don't like it though. I wouldn't wear it. But I have a lot of it.
There's a wall between us.
Nikki!
Christina!
They're separated!
No!
I'm hungry. That's why I'm eating cereal.
That's cute. Monkey!
That's all that's left of my
That's
cereal.
what I look like. That's what my face is.
Yeah? Yeah, and I used the book.